Abalwadde ba Mukenya batandise okufuna akamwenyumwenyu oluvannyuma lw'abakugu okutakula emitwe okuzuula eddagala erinaawonya obulwadde bwa siriimu. Bino byanjuddwa mu nsisinkano etabye abasawo, abanoonyereza, abalwanirizi b'abalina akawuka ka Mukenya n'abakugu abalala nga bano bavudde mu mawanga ag'enjawulo. Profesa Thombi Nduzu okuva mu ssettendekero lya KwaZulu-Natal mu ggwanga erya South Africa atangazizza ensonga lwaki Africa esaanye okwetaba mu kunoonyereza kuno omuli n'okugenda mu maaso okuzuula eddagala lya Mukenya.
Without any delays. And that's why I'm very excited that we are now doing cure research here in Africa, because we have the possibility to develop the cure and come up with a cure here on the African continent through the research that we do. I think we're going to need global partnerships to do that. But I think it's really, really important that we train and develop and work towards this goal. And like Professor Dick mentioned, there are over a dozen ideas that are out there now about how to cure HIV.
Stephen Dick, omu ku banoonyereza okuva ku ssettendekero wa California, San Francisco, mu ggwanga ery'Amerika, alaze ki kye batunuulidde mu kunoonyereza okw'enjawulo okugenda mu maaso.
And so the drugs really can't get at it to kill it. And so it just basically stays there indefinitely. And that's the main reason why we can't cure the infection. Treatment doesn't kill that virus, it just keeps it down. And so what we need now is something that will force that virus out of its hiding place so that other medications or the immune system can kill it. That's kind of one of the main ways now we're going about trying to cure HIV. But the virus is very, very tricky. It's very tricky.
Dr. Paula Munderi owa International Association of Providers of AIDS Care, IPAC, alaze ki gavumenti ya Uganda kyekola mu kulwanyisa akawuka kano.
And at these centers, there are the researchers are collaborating on international studies that have a cure research-based theme in the area of children. They're also taking part in international studies on basic sciences. That's research before you recruit patients, but that is also very, very important in solving some of these riddles, solving some of the strategies towards HIV cure research.
Abalina akawuka ka Mukenya nabo boogedde ku ddagala lino.
Also, we know the stigma that comes from living with HIV. We know that having a cure will kind of reduce stigma in a way, in such a way that it will not be looked at as part of the stigma is because HIV is not curable, and some people still look at it as death sentence. And so, if we remove the death sentence out of this out of this equation, and have HIV as a health condition that one can actually cure and be free of it, then we think that a substantial amount of stigma will also be reduced.
Kinajjukirwa nti waliwo okunoonyeza okugenda mu maaso mu ggwanga erya South Africa okufuna eddagala ery'okugema obulwadde bwa Mukenya, naye nga lino terijja kuba lya mulundi gumu, era nga omwaka gwa 2021 gwe gutunuuliddwa okuba ogw'ekibala kino. Yisa Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Oregulo.